That was my dream. It was my dream to be a farmer. The background and the lifestyle. Hi, I'm Claudia.
Hi, and I'm Michael.
And we're the Wollmann family. We just go walk to the barn and we check on our chickens to make sure that they have access to food and water. And we check for the temperature, if that's correct, and check the humidity, and just to make sure that our chickens are healthy and happy. They're running free with no cages. It's important for us to include our family in it and just to get them involved and understand where chicken comes from.
That's actually a family going home, and they're going to cook a delicious meal and they're going to enjoy it amongst their family, and we take a lot of pride in that people are feeding their family, and it's a healthy source of protein.
Produced at home and stays at home.